Hi, welcome to Auto Clearing Collision Center. My name is Todd Ferguson. I'm the manager here. And today in our little educational video called BodyShop 101, I want to discuss a few topics on package policies and what they can do for you during the repair process. When you buy a package policy through any SGI broker, of course, it lowers your deductible from $700. The most common deductibles we run into are $100 and $200, so saving you some money, of course, speaks for itself. The additions that you can buy with a package policy, of course, your liability automatically increases. You can buy windshield coverage, you can buy replacement cost coverage. The one I'm going to talk on today is called loss of use, which we run into a lot, and I think it's probably the most common one that people sometimes overlook when they buy a package policy. Well, what is loss of use? Easiest way to answer this question, whether you need it or not: you get in an accident, your car is undrivable from the scene. Can you live a normal day-to-day life without that vehicle? If you have an alternate vehicle or several vehicles at home, chances are you don't need it. You don't need to spend the extra money. If the answer is no, I cannot live a normal life, I can't get the kids from school, I can't get to work, I need something to drive, I need it now. Well, loss of use is definitely something you need. What that does entitles you to a rental, usually within hours after the accident. In most cases, the minimum amount is $1,000 coverage, which renting a small size vehicle will get you, roughly 15, 17, 18 days coverage, which is generally pretty good as far as getting the required repairs completed. A couple little perks that come with package policies is, of course, they are waived if you're in a wildlife claim. So you hit a deer, without a package policy, $700 deductible. With a package policy, $0 deductible. Of course, that rental coverage loss of use would also kick in, and you don't have a deductible, and you got a car to drive. So loss of use, something very important to look into. Any other questions regarding package policies, of course, you can talk to your broker. You can give us a call. We'll give you some insight and some of our opinions on it. That's the one that I wanted to discuss with package policies, and it's called loss of use. Do you need it? You answer the question. Thanks for watching us today. Please drive safe. Please help us to like and share this video to let everybody know the advantages of having a package policy. And most importantly, take care out there and stay safe.